Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, where we explore some of the most breathtaking luxury homes you'll ever see. Today's property is truly something special. This stunning custom-designed modern mansion is the definition of bold elegance, combining a dramatic black aesthetic with rich golden accents to create a home that feels both powerful and luxurious. From the very first glance, this residence commands attention. The exterior design is sleek, modern, and unforgettable. Clean architectural lines, massive glass panels, and a striking black color palette give this mansion a sophisticated, high-end presence. Subtle golden details elevate the entire look, adding warmth and prestige. This is not just a house, it's a statement. As we approach the property, the grand main gate sets the tone for everything that follows. The gate features a premium black finish with elegant golden elements, creating an entrance that feels exclusive and luxurious. Passing through, the beautifully designed driveway leads us toward the main entrance, building anticipation with every step. Now, let's talk about this incredible front entrance. The combination of black marble textures, modern lighting, and golden accents creates an atmosphere of pure luxury. The doorway itself is oversized and dramatic, designed to impress guests before they even step inside. It's the perfect introduction to the home's interior style. Stepping into the living room, the design immediately captures your attention. This space is a masterpiece of modern luxury. The black and golden color scheme creates a rich, cinematic feel, while the carefully placed lighting enhances every detail. The furniture is sleek and contemporary, perfectly complementing the bold design language. Large windows flood the room with natural light, beautifully balancing the darker tones. This is a space designed for both relaxation and unforgettable gatherings. Moving into the kitchen, we find a perfect blend of style and functionality. The black cabinetry, paired with golden handles and fixtures, creates an ultra-premium look. Marble countertops add texture and elegance, while state-of-the-art appliances ensure this kitchen is as practical as it is beautiful. Every element feels intentional, from the lighting to the layout. This is truly a dream kitchen for anyone who loves modern luxury. Adjacent to the kitchen is the dining area, a space that feels refined and inviting. The black dining table acts as a bold centerpiece, while a stunning golden chandelier above adds drama and sophistication. The lighting creates a warm, intimate mood, making this the perfect setting for elegant dinners and special occasions. Next, we step into one of the most exciting features of the home, the garage. This isn't just a place to park cars, it's a showcase. The polished floors, dramatic lighting, and black interior theme create a high-end, almost futuristic atmosphere. With space for luxury vehicles and supercars, this garage feels like a private automotive gallery. Now let's explore the master bedroom, a sanctuary of comfort and style. The black and golden theme continues here, creating a space that feels both cozy and incredibly luxurious. Soft ambient lighting, premium materials, and a perfectly designed layout make this room feel like a five-star suite. Every detail contributes to an atmosphere of relaxation and sophistication. Of course, a home of this caliber must feature an extraordinary bathroom. This spa-inspired space is designed to deliver pure indulgence. Black marble surfaces, golden fixtures, and elegant lighting combine to create a bathroom that feels like a luxury retreat. It's a space where design and comfort meet seamlessly. For those who value health and fitness, the private gym is another standout feature. The modern equipment, dramatic lighting, and sleek black design create a motivating and stylish environment. It's the perfect place to maintain an active lifestyle without ever leaving the comfort of home. And then we have the spectacular swimming pool area. This outdoor space is nothing short of breathtaking. The dark tones, combined with warm golden lighting reflections, create a truly cinematic atmosphere, especially at night. Whether for entertaining guests or enjoying peaceful moments, this pool area embodies luxury living. Finally, we arrive at the TV lounge, the ultimate relaxation zone. Designed with comfort and elegance in mind, this space features plush seating, atmospheric lighting, and the signature black and golden aesthetic. It's the perfect setting for movie nights, gaming sessions, or simply unwinding in style. This entire mansion is a celebration of bold modern luxury, where every space has been crafted to impress. From the architecture to the interiors, this home perfectly balances drama, elegance, and comfort. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more incredible homes here on American Dream Mansions. Which part of this stunning property was your favorite?